Hi, Green Spellers. So today, your words, we're talking about the short vowel sound. Last week, we talked about the long vowel sound. This week, we're going to focus on the short vowel sound. Okay, so remember the long vowel sound can be spelled with EW, UE, and it can be spelled with two O's. The short vowel sound is spelled with two O's. Okay, so I included a couple long vowel sounds, and a lot of them are focusing on the short vowel sound. Okay, so let's look for the long vowel sounds. Bloom. The flowers are beautiful right now, and they are in full bloom. Blue. The color blue is my favorite color. Okay, so short vowel sound. So remember, the long vowel sound can be spelled with two O's, but so can the short vowel sound. Like the word took. I took my time on my math test. Books. I have plenty of books to read. Cook. Oh, Miss Barrett loves to cook a good meal. Cook. Nook. Maybe you have a little reading nook at home that you like to read at. So like a bench by a window, a reading nook. Stood. I stood in line and waited my turn for the ride. Stood. Wood. So this type of wood is like the wood you use for a campfire. Our sight word wood is spelled like this. Would you go outside with me? That's this word. This word is the type of wood that you use to have a campfire. Foot. My foot is a size 7.5. But when I'm talking about both of my feet, then I say feet. Hood. A lot of sweatshirts have a hood on them that you can pull up. Shook. I shook your hand to introduce myself. So these are your words for this week. This will be your last teaching of new words, so you will have your check-in on Thursday, but Friday you won't have new spelling words. So make sure you practice these words before your check-in on Thursday.